Hit the black.
You going?
Black button.
Go ahead, hit it. Hold it. What are you doing?
It didn't start.
What do you mean doing? Messing with this thing?
No.
Flip the switch.
I did.
The kill switch isn't even hooked up.
It ain't?
No.
Well, that's one reason why it's not done.
Shit. Destiny, what the fuck?
Sorry.
I told you.
You're still recording, ain't you, Destiny?
Yup.
Found it. Oh, I gotta get in it to do this. Are you laughing at me?
Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
You're still recording, okay. Head up, you're stepping on the wire. Head up, folks. Just so you know, it starts breaking something in the fucking car. Here we go. Oh boy.
Take the battery out. Just see that red wire? Disconnect it. There you go. I knew it was not hooked up because it's flat.
What, it was flat?
You
When
know
it was
what's
starting?
What?
When it was starting, it was flat?
Yeah, I didn't have any.
Any boo, boo, boo.
Usually. What the fuck?
Get my... Hey.
You get a nice video of my ass right now?
Yes.
Now that would be a good Facebook.
No. Why is there a lighter in here?
Why is there a what?
Why is there a lighter in here?
A lighter?
What are you doing in here?
It's mine.
Box?
No.
I have.
You smoke butts?
No.
I was gonna say, that's it, we're done. Okay,
Got it?
Put the red wire back on.
Next thing you know, it's fucking nice on me. Alright.
There it is!
Video!
Oh, shit. Oh, that hurts so bad. What was that? Oh, it was this thing. God damn it.
That probably hurt like fuck. I'm getting in.
Don't get in. Don't get in. Or get in. Do everything I tell you not to do. You're not going to be able to adjust the gas because
I'm just going in a little. I'm not going in another way.
Talking your head. How are you going to push the button now, huh? Just get in. Might as well get in. Don't hit the gas until...
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Hold on.
What the fuck was that?
It was the engine. Do it again. Do it again! Alright, hold on. Turn it off. Jesus Christ, Joe.
You know what? He's gotta listen.
I tell him to do it again, he stands there and looks at me. Smells great. Something blew up. Turn that thing off.
No.
Yeah, keep videoing. Show the fans what it's like to work on a race car.
No.
Unbelievable.
Don't put that on.
This whole video has been up your ass.
Mechanic here, folks. Fans, this is supposed to be my best mechanic. And he's yelling at me.
Yeah, because you don't fucking listen.
Damn! Talk about somebody I just hired, now he's bitching at me.
Higher, I don't get paid for this.
Shut up, Pete.
Yeah, see? So the truth comes out.
At least I know cars more than him. I just don't know how to fucking work on them. All I know is how to race them.
Yeah. This is David's philosophy. wasn't a good noise.
Better than mine.
You sure you didn't unhook anything in here? When you stepped on the fucking wires.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure you're gonna get tired.
Yeah, sure. So if you hit this, it's already dented now.
From my head.
From your head.
You gotta hit my head enough, but I guess I'm not.
Probably got a big old mark on his head now. Big bruise.
This is a great video.
You feel what?
I said this is a great video.
Oh, this is a great video, yeah. Yeah. I'm just sitting in the damn car not doing anything. Yeah, this is a great video. I'd rather be out racing than fucking sitting here in the damn thing. Yeah, there's the truth for you, Facebook.
What truth, David?
There's the truth for you.
Yeah,
I'd rather be racing this damn thing rather than sitting here working on the damn thing. I'd rather be having racing rather than having Heath work on it all day in the friggin' winter time.
Well,
Thanks a lot, Mother Nature. You totally friggin' suck, you know that? You really do suck, Mother Nature. And I blame the groundhog for all this, too.
David, go take your medicine. Not fun. Go take it.
You go take it.
I already took mine.
Yeah, sure you have.
I did.
Fuck you haven't.
That's destiny. We'd be at the hospital right now if I didn't.
Yeah.
You should have pulled.
What?
I can see Heath's shoes through the damn hole over here.
My shoes?
Yeah. I can see your shoes from this damn hole right there. In the damn car.
Take the damn distributor out.
I can see the ground
It's a
from the car.
defibrillator.
Defibrillator, I'm sorry.
So I guess I can know when
Where's that
something
rubber
leaks.
mallet?
I guess I'm gonna know when the friggin' motor's on fire. Cause there's a big hole right there. Which can come right through the damn car.
Want me to get it on video?
Yeah, so mechanic's going to take a piss. And I'm sitting here, pissed off at the motherfucker because I can't race this goddamn thing. Because it's not even racing season, number one, and number two, the groundhog fucked everything up. Thanks a lot, groundhog. Yeah, 6 more weeks of winter. Bullshit, if you ask me. Man, I wish I had a rifle right now. I'd pop a damn bullet right in your head, groundhog. I really would. You're the worst groundhog there ever is in the entire world. I guess you a warrant for your arrest. Dead or alive. Somebody ought to capture the groundhog and kill it. I don't know. And here comes Mr. Heath back from his piss. How'd it feel, Heath?
So great.
Come on, all the fans want to know, how'd your piss feel? I don't know. How long has this been recorded?
9 minutes.
9 minutes worth of recording right now. Jesus Christ. Are you sure it ain't racing season yet? I really wish I could pack this car up and go racing.
I really wish you would shut the fuck up for like 5 seconds.
That's nice.
We're making you mean again.
Go ahead. No, it's mine.
Don't be turning that on. Literally, I have like 120 volts. It's not funny. I won't be here anymore. Why are you laughing? I'm glad you think it's funny. You can see my skin start catching on fire. Why is it going to have to be so difficult? Let them just see you start.
David's kicking the windshield out.
That's okay. Broken news.
Windshield needs to be replaced anyways. Who the fuck is?
With Lexan.
I just want to go racing. I'm so pissed that I can't fucking go anywhere with the damn thing.
So is your boyfriend pissed that you're hanging out with me?
No, he doesn't care.
What boyfriend? I thought you were single.
No.
Well, she's going to be here in a couple of days.
What? No, he said, "What are you doing tonight?" And I said, "Hanging out with Heath." And he said, "Oh."
You don't care. You're the best around.
Fuck it. I'm getting out.
Why? I need you in like 10 seconds. I'm almost done.
10 seconds! My fucking knees and everything are killing me here. I'm sitting like this. Look at this. You think this would kill you too? Sitting like this?
Why don't you have your feet down there?
You told me not to touch the damn pedal, dumbass!
No, you can touch them. Like, put your feet down there.
Oh yeah, now he tells me I can touch them. Now first he didn't want me to fucking sit in the damn seat and touch the pedal.
Lord have mercy.
Dumbass.
Just put your feet down there, but don't push the pedals. Okay, go ahead. Nope.
Ready?
Yep.
Hell yeah!
Fix it. Holy shit.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're gonna die.